Now, we want to look at the y-intercept. So, the y-intercept is only found when x is equal to 0. Y-intercept is only found when x is equal to 0. So, when x is 0 in this case, what do we have? Y is equal to 3 times 0 plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2. And the y-intercept will be 2. For this case, what will be the y-intercept? We take the other variables the other side, so we have 6y is equal to 12x plus 24, and y will be 2x plus 4. Therefore, the y-intercept is only found when the value of x is 0. And when the value of x is 0, therefore, the y-intercept is 4. So, y-intercept is only found when the value of x is 0. So, when x is 0, we get the y-intercept. Therefore, we can also look at the x-intercept. This is the point where the line cuts the x-axis. If you have, that is the y-axis, and that is the x-axis, that is the y-axis, and that is the x-axis, then we are saying that the point at which the line will cut the x-axis, this is what we call the x-intercept. And the point where the line cuts the y-axis is where we call a y-intercept. So if we have a line like this, on that axis we have a line like this, then this is the y-intercept, and this one is the x-intercept. So x-intercept is where the line cuts the x-axis, and y-intercept is where the line cuts the y-axis. The line only cuts the y-axis when the value of x is 0, and the line only cuts the x-axis when the value of y is 0. So it is important to note that x-axis is found when the x-intercept is found when y is 0. So for our first equation, we are saying 0 is equal to 3x plus 2. What will be the x-intercept? So 3x is equal to negative 2, and x is equal to negative 2 over 3. So the x-intercept will be negative 2 over 3. So that line will cut the x-axis on the negative side. So you will find it at negative 2 over 3. If that is 1, then negative 2 over 3, that is where the line will cut the x-axis. And then the y-axis, it will cut it at point 2. Therefore, we can easily sketch that line, that it will be a line that will pass through point 2 and negative 2 over 3. So the line can be sketched that way. So the line will pass through point 2 and negative 2 over 3. What about our second case? In our second case, we have it as y is equal to 6, y is equal to 2x plus 4. And we are saying that the x-intercept, it is y which is 0, so that is 0 plus 4, and therefore 2x is equal to negative 4, and x is negative 2. So if we have to sketch that line, then we are saying that the x-axis, this will be negative 1, -2, -3, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this line will cut the x-axis, the y-axis at 0.4, and we will cut the x-axis at -2. Therefore, we can quickly sketch that graph, that line, as this. So it will be passing through, that is the y-intercept, and that is the x-intercept, and that will be that line. So the concept of y-intercept and x-intercept is very important in sketching the lines and drawing the lines. So once you have the x-intercept and you have the y-intercept, you can easily sketch the line. Not necessarily wanting to know the other point, but that is how we can sketch that line. Thank you.